Garen Crow serves the Grey Knights chapter of Adeptus Astartes as its Castellan champion. As the leader of the chapter's Purifier Order, it is Crow's duty to face the fell powers of chaos wherever their strength and corruptions are at their peak. An exemplar of purity even amongst the 666th chapter of Adeptus Astartes, Garen has proven over his many years of service to his Imperium to be immune to the temptations of chaos. Some within the Grey Knights Order believe Crow to be the inheritor of a dormant strain of the Emperor's own being, locked deep within their chapter's gene seed, gifting Crow with a unique perspective on the nature of the Immaterium and its strange qualities. Wielding the demonic Black Blade of Antwyr, Crow resists its temptations and corrupting powers as it whispers evil litanies within his mind. Safeguarding the indestructible possessed relic, too dangerous to be kept on the chapter base of Titan, Garen Crow's wardenship of the cursed weapon prevents its sinister powers falling into the hands of impure or weak souls. Emanating an evil presence to claim it, the blade draws the enemies of the Imperium to its promises of glory and power. Garen cleaves through those foolish enough to attempt to take it from his hands, while simultaneously staving off the blade's foul potential gifts and caged power. A duty previously fulfilled by the blade's previous custodian, Castellan Merit Gavalan, due to his surrender to the manipulations of the being within the sword. So potent is the blade that even those whom stand within the sword's presence are susceptible to its indoctrination and hungering call. Facing the mightiest of demon champions of the ruinous powers, such as the bloodletter champion of Khorne, Skulltaker. Employing divine relics of the Imperium, such as the crystallized tears of the Emperor of Mankind, to consecrate his duty to battle the deadliest foes of humanity. Garen must be kept in isolation, away from his battle brothers, lest the foul powers of the Blade of Antwyr corrupt him. Crow's vigil against the long-dead fell god within the sword, an eternal struggle.